Welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you repost your old stories into Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application, and after opening the application, just simply navigate to your profile by tapping this profile button into the bottom right corner. Step 2. Go to the archive. Now after coming to your profile, you can see these 3 bars into the top right corner. You just simply have to tap there, and after tapping there, you can see this archive option here. Just simply tap there. Step 3. Select the story archive option into the archive. Now after coming to the archive, you just simply have to select any of your old stories, and after selecting, just simply click to the share button down here. Step 4. Repost the story. Now after clicking to the share button, it will give you the option to share the post again. By following these very easy steps, you can also repost your old stories into Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.